Hi everyone. I came to Si Nuon's village to visit her. I met her through Facebook last year, and I'm so happy to meet you. And thank you for introducing your friends here to me. And this is Tin. And he also speaks Vietnamese and Jarai, of course, and Khmer. And his wife is Khmer. And this man is amazing. He can make these baskets. As you can see, they are very beautiful. This small one I bought already, so you can't buy it. This is mine right here. But these are available for sale. Yeah, so so anyway, just want to show you these baskets and the basket maker right here. And I'm so happy to be in the village and to get to know our Jarai people here in Cambodia. So thank you for watching, and talk to you later. Bye bye.